How to day trade on Moomoo. So if you want to day trade on Moomoo, then what you need to do is just follow these steps. First, you need to apply for an account. So sign up through the Moomoo app or website, provide required personal or financial information, and complete the application to open your brokerage account. After that, you need to deposit some funds into your account. Next thing, you need to go to the trade page, navigate to the trade page within the Moomoo app. You need to select the stock, find the stock you wish to trade. After that, choose other order types. Select either a market order for immediate execution at the current best price or a limit order to specify a desired buy or sell price. Enter the quantity, input the number of shares you want to buy or sell, and then you need to place your order, submit the order to buy or sell the stock. In this way, you'll be able to day trade on Moomoo, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.